Hi again, welcome to the U Revolution, coming to you actually from the garden of my home right here. And while the weather's good, might as well do this. Please subscribe to the channel. If you've got any comments you'd like to leave underneath the videos, you're welcome to do that. I wanted to talk to you today, really just very briefly, about the subject of forgiveness. This is such a big subject. I could actually speak for an entire hour on this, but I won't. I've got about 3 minutes of your time. And I just want to say this to you, forgiveness is such a powerful thing. It can actually change your life. It can change the way you think. It can change your sense of well-being when we've stopped holding on to a grudge or something from the past towards another person. And we realize there's actually power in forgiveness. Forgiving somebody is like diffusing a bomb. It's like you see in movies where they're looking for the wire in a certain bomb and they finally clip that wire and suddenly the bomb is no longer effective and it's lost its ammunition, it's lost its potency and its power. Forgiveness takes away the need for revenge, where we no longer feel like we have to actually prove ourselves and the need to be proven right. So many times we'll go through life with this righteous indignation that, hang on, I've got to be proven to be right. You know, this person has messed around with me. I'm not going to just let this go. I'm not going to just forgive this person. I'm going to prove my point. But to what end? You know, people are going to hurt you. I said in one of my previous clips that a big news flash is not everybody's going to like you. Not everybody's going to agree with you. There are going to be people that have some very strong opinions about you. That's how it is with me. People will hurt you. But you know what else? You will hurt people. You might not even be aware of the fact that there are people out there that have been quite offended by you, and you weren't even aware that it had happened. Well, likewise, the people that hurt you might not be even slightly aware that they have hurt you, and they're getting on with their lives. People will hurt you. You would hate to be judged forever just because of one bad moment. You had a bad day, you came across somebody's path and things kicked off and it didn't go quite the way you wanted to. You said something you might regret. You would hate it if that person judged you for the rest of their life because they met you at a bad moment. Well, likewise with other people. You know, sometimes we have to actually take moral high ground and say, I'm going to draw a line. And forgiveness is a choice. Now, forgiveness doesn't necessarily mean going back into harmful and toxic relationships, and we'll talk about toxic relationships in another session. But what it does mean is saying, I'm no longer going to hold on to this indignation inside of me that I need to get revenge, that I need to get even, and I need to prove myself to be right. I forgive that person. Being able to forgive, even if you never see that person again, empowers you. You make yourself the stronger person. You're basically saying that person no longer has the right nor the ability to change my emotion. That person doesn't get a vote in my emotions any longer. I'm taking the power. I forgive you. And I'm going to move on. I'm drawing a line. That person did not win. You forgave them. You're the bigger person. Forgiveness is so powerful. It can change so many situations around. It can heal a broken relationship. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll chat again soon.